Welcome back again, and now this is part 5 of the same series. As of now, we have discussed process measurements, quality assurance, and quality system differences. In last video, in part 4, we have discussed where we can take samples and where we have to use this quality labs. Today we'll be discussing all individual tests that one can use to maintain the quality of their craft breweries or microbreweries. So quickly going to the session, which is yes. So first is the density. So this is our first. So why we measure density? Because density tells how much sugars are converted into alcohol. For this we have this picnometer. We put beer sample at 20 degrees Celsius, then we measure empty weight of this with beer, and then there is a formula W1 minus W2, and that's it. This is another where we put the whole thing into a hydrometer. We fill it with beer, and then hydrometer floats, and then we see the reading over on the stem. As we can see, important parameter to measure because sugar conversion happens, and we can see how much ethanol or alcohol by volume is produced in your beer. This is the instrument is by industry experts. In last video I was also talking about the same. It's called Easy Dense. So though picnometers are very accurate, why we need these things? Because they give very quick readings. As you can see, in an industrial brewery, they're like, let's say they have 50 EUTs or 50 tanks. So doing those 50 tanks by this will be very cumbersome process. So to get quick and accurate results, they use this. In brew house, they use this. Even you can use it for other beer samples also, but there are few complications for this with the samples. So another second is pH. So pH is also important. We measure mash pH, which is 5.4, water pH, sparge water pH, beer pH, fermenting wort pH. So these are the things. So in next video we'll be discussing in detail about pH.